Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have a mini haul for you guys. I'm gonna do a review for these items from Pretty Diva. It's a seller on Amazon. I have 3 different items here that are purchased separately, and I will have the links down in the description bar below. So the first set that I have in, I want you to see how nicely packaged they came. Here's their box. This is a set of a soak-off gel top and base coat, okay? Gel top coat and gel base. So here they are, how they come packaged, nice and neat. I also have, this is a set of latex in pink and white, and I was happy to see that. So what I'm going to do, I am going to use the white one and try it out as a temporary base for gel swatches. So when I put some gel on my nails, and then the pink one I will use it for around my skin. We'll give that one a test as well. And then we also have 7 little jars here of 7 different chrome powders, and these are the translucent type. This is how they came packaged. So these are the kind that you can put them over black or white. So you can get the translucent, kind of like the mother of pearl look when you put them over a white gel, or you get the greens, the beautiful purples or blues or pinks or what have you when applied over black, okay? And as you can see, they came with their own sponge applicators. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch those here over these tips, so you guys can see the colors and see what they look like. What I'm going to do is, so you can see I already have these tips with black and white. So you're going to see me apply the colors, and I'll go in order. But something that I have not done yet is apply the gel top coat, because as you know, you put the powders go over a no wipe gel top coat. So yes, this is a no wipe gel top coat. I will go ahead and use this. This is the top coat. I will apply these to the tips before applying the powders, and then I will test the latex by doing a swatch on my own nails. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here are all the beautiful colors finished with the gel top coat, and look at that. Hopefully, I don't know that the camera is picking up the shimmery pearlescent on the white base, but I will have a photo at the end so you guys can see it. So to describe all these in a color, one word, so here's the silver, number 1. Number 2, it's gold. Number 3, I'm going to call it pink. 4, purple. 5, navy. 6, blue. 7, green. That's giving me mermaid vibes. Beautiful color right there. And these top coat and base coat bottles, these are 10 mLs. Now let's go ahead and give the latex a try. I'm going to try the white one on my nails, on my natural nail, as a temporary base for easy removal of gel polish. And the pink one, I'm going to use it as a barrier against my skin. And these are 6 ml bottles. And something else that I want to mention about these products, guys, the latex as well as the gel base and top coat, these barely have any scent at all. Really, the base and top coat, I do like that about them. And these also, I open them and I do not smell anything. I mean, on these two, the gels very faint. On the latex, I didn't smell anything. Let's go ahead and give these a try. Okay guys, so here is my perfect gradient. Isn't it pretty? Okay, my thoughts on this latex. My very first time on this, you saw how liquidy it was. It's not that rubbery latex that I am used to. I do like that. And it did dry pretty fast. I liked, and I also liked the fact that it's very liquidy. It is ideal for gel polish, because it's not very thick and it almost dried like a liquid base. I mean, like a gel base, or sometimes I apply my gel polishes over my Rejuvecoat base. But yeah, I did like that feel of it because it's very light. And this one, the pink one, you can see it does stays a little bit pinkish against the skin, so you can see it. Now let's go ahead and try to remove the one around my skin. Usually, let's see how it goes first with the tweezers. Sometimes I use a piece of tape. Let's see how this, well, you know, surprisingly, this is, wow, it's so thin. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, and I will still have to do a little bit of cleanup around my cuticle area. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. See, and I did already have my Rejuvecoat as a base. My nails were not completely bare. And I'm seeing, okay, oh, this is nice and easy. I love it. Yes. Okay, so what it did, it actually, see my nails dull, and so it lifted my Rejuvecoat, which is fine. It was a few days old. It wasn't just recently applied. So yeah, for that, I like that. So that is the end of my review on these items, guys. I have to say, the packaging, I really like the packaging. It really makes it nice for gift giving. Very attractive packaging. So if you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that these are available on Amazon. I will have all the links down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Pretty Diva for sending me these gorgeous items to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.